We are at our family farm right now and I want to go pick some oranges. The oranges are so good right now.
Let's go pick oranges. Come on. We just picked these delicious oranges. Wait, should we try it? You want me to open it? Open it. Okay. Arizona oranges are the best. The citrus here is unmatched. Okay, you want to try it? Okay. Here you go. What do you think? Okay, we just picked this other type of orange. We have a bunch of different types of oranges on our property. Let's see how this one tastes. Dance if you want an orange. 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 Oh yeah, dance. Try it. You tell me if it's good. That one's sour. A little bit bitter.
Look at these blossoms right now on our tree. The orange blossoms are beautiful. It's so cool to see these blossoms because we have beehives here and I could see the bees on these little flowers. So we're gonna have some really sweet honey. Do you wanna smell? Smell. It smells so good. These are the blood oranges. Story, you're gonna love these. Wait, you're gonna love this. Look at the color. Wow. Oh yeah. The difference in these is like, they almost have a sweeter taste. Like it's like a mixture of a grapefruit and a orange.